Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Greetings. In this video, I would like to present my presentation regarding middle class assignment, a lecture of listening comprehension. As you can see on the screen, that this is to fulfill the middle class assignment, and I would like to introduce myself first. So my name is Daffa Praditya Devano Ramadhan, or you can call me Daffa for short. And I am majoring in English literature. And yeah, I'm an undergraduate student at BSI University campus in Cengkareng. So let's get it started. Yeah, as you can see in here, this is the middle task assignment script. In order to complete the assignment in this semester, the task will determine your score and being consideration towards your score at the end of this semester. And those the point that we mentioned on the slide presentation. I think that it's not necessary to read all of them because um, it's just the rule of this presentation, and that's not necessary at all. So let's move to the next slide. And this is the table of content. So in this slide presentation, there are three parts and divided by three parts. There is a part A, part B, and part C. And as you can see that in part A, I required to complete the blank text below the related audio. And the part B required me to put several information and do fill the question that listed below. And the last part or part C is required me to complete the dialogue between A and B persons. So, and this is the audio that will be the reference of the text above. And or if you want to access it, just rewind on your browsers and just enter this link on your browser. So let's get started with the part A. I will play the audio for once.
Buttercup Gold and Other Stories by Ellen Robina Field. Baby Caterpillar. Baby Caterpillar was tired. All summer long she had been traveling slowly through the green world where she lived and feeding on the green leaves that grew near her home. Now autumn had come, and Mother Nature had given a holiday to the leaves, who put on their new dresses of red and gold and played tag with the breezes. Baby Caterpillar wanted to play too, but could not run so fast as the happy little leaves, and she grew very tired and thought she would take a nap. So she found a cozy place among the branches of a grapevine and made herself a soft, silky blanket. Then she rolled herself away within it, and then, in her queer little cradle, went to sleep. One night late in the fall, Jack Frost came over the hill. He spied the cradle swinging to and fro and began to play roughly with it, for he is a roguish little fellow and touches everything that comes in his way. But the warm blanket hid the little sleeper so that Jack could not find her. By and by King Winter came, bringing beautiful snow blankets to Mother Nature's flower babies. He gently rocked the cradle as he passed and whispered, "Sleep, baby, sleep. You have no need of my blankets." At last spring came, with the sunbeams, the best and merriest of Mother Nature's helpers. They awoke the flowers from their long winter nap and called to the birds and the brooks to begin their songs. When they came to the little brown cradle, they stopped to rest, and Baby Caterpillar began to get very warm under the thick blanket. She woke up and stretched herself, and her cradle broke, and she came out to greet the spring. But what a change! Instead of the old dingy dress that she went to sleep in, she now had a beautiful yellow one, and instead of crawling among the leaves, she flew up and away into the sweet spring air to play with the sunbeams and flowers, and the little children called her a butterfly. The end. Read by Tony Walker for Lit to Go.
And that's the audio. I hope that you can hear clearly. And in here, I would like to reread the audio, and you can match which between the audio and the answer of this slide presentation. So in the audio, he says that baby caterpillar was tired. Our summer long, slowly through the green world where she lived, and feeding on the green leaves that grew near her home. Now autumn had come, and Mother Nature had given a holiday to the leaves, who put on their new dresses of red and gold, and played tag with the breezes. Baby caterpillar wanted to play too, but could not run so fast as the happy little leaves, and she grew very tired and thought that she would take a nap. She would take a nap. So she found a cozy place among the branches of a grapevine and made herself a soft, silky blanket. Then she rolled herself away within it, and then, in her queer little cradle, went to sleep. One night, late in the fall, Jack Frost came over the hill, despite the cradle swinging to and fro, and began to play really with it. For he's a rugged little fellow, and touches everything that comes in his way. But a warm blanket hid the little sliver so that Jack could not find her. By and by, King Winter came, bringing beautiful snow blankets to Mother Nature's flower baby. He gently rocked the cradle as he passed and whispered, "Sleep, baby, sleep. You have no need of a blanket." At last spring came with the sunbeam, the best and merriest of Mother Nature's helpers. They awoke of the flowers from their long winter nap, and called to the birds and the brook to begin their songs. When they came to the little brown cradle, they started to rest, and baby caterpillar to get very warm under the thick blanket. She woke up and stretched herself, and her cradle broke, and she came out to the spring. But what a change! Instead of the old dingy dress that she went to sleep in, she now had a beautiful yellow one. And instead of crawling among the leaves, she flew up and away in the sweet spring air to play with the sunbeam and flowers, and the little children called her a butterfly. And that's the end of part A. So we're gonna move to the part B. So in here, there are several questions that are related to audio. I have to answer this question related to information that contained in the audio. So I would like to play the audio for once.
What a wonderful fruit the banana is, popular all over the world. Its three colors tell you how ripe it is. Green means go, as in go find another banana. Yellow means eat me. Brown means eat me, but don't bother chewing before you swallow. The only thing that would make a banana more user-friendly is if you could eat the peel. Plus, a banana is neat to eat. When you bite into it, you don't have to worry about juice squirting all over yourself and your dinner neighbors, like oranges or grapefruit, for example. And it's a silent food. You can chew it all you like without driving your neighbors crazy with crunching sounds, like apples or carrots, for example. Finally, it's easy to cut. You don't need a steak knife. You can slice it with a fork or a spoon if you like. You're never too young or too old to eat bananas. Babies eat mashed bananas before their teeth grow in. Great-great-grandparents eat mashed bananas after their teeth fall out. The banana is versatile. You can fry it, bake it, mash it, or eat it raw. You can slice it and put it on your breakfast cereal. At lunchtime, you can snack on a raw banana, or make a peanut butter and banana sandwich, or eat a bag of dried bananas. You can add a banana to your ice cream for dessert and call it a banana split. You can order a healthful banana smoothie at your local smoothie store. On weekends you can order a banana daiquiri at your local bar or restaurant. Here in the U.S., we get most of our bananas from Ecuador and Costa Rica, although the fruit reportedly originated in Asia. Bananas give us lots of potassium and vitamins A and C, and hardly any sodium. The price of bananas hasn't changed much over recent years. They're still about 65 cents a pound, despite rising gas and labor prices. If that's too expensive, you can still get 3 pounds for $1 at many dollar.
So that's the end of the audio. So in here, I would like to tell you about the answer of each question that we mentioned in the slide presentation. So the first question is, explain the meaning of the three colors that tell about the ripe of banana. So the answer is, greens mean go, yellow means eat me, and brown also have means eat me, but don't bother chewing before you swallow. That's the answer of the first question. And the second question is, why does the banana become more user-friendly? It's because we cook it to peel. Plus, a banana is neat to eat. When we buy the bananas, we don't have to worry about juice squirting all over ourselves and our dinner neighbors like orange or grapefruit, for example. And the third question is, why does banana become versatile? It's because we can turn bananas into anything that we want for. For example, we can eat raw straightly. We could make a delicious juices or smoothie, and we can bake into various foods that we really search for, such as a pie, pancake, or brownies. And the fourth question is, mention the useful substance on banana. And the answer is, banana is the one of the most fruit that have a bunch of efficacy. There's a plenty things about banana that we really to know, and it's gonna list here. First is potassium, second is vitamin A and B, and lastly is sodium. And the last question is, retell the story using my own words. And in my opinion, in my perspective, banana is a fruit that have a plenty of efficacy. Besides, banana also have a hint meaning from each color that contained in the fruit. Green, yellow, and brown are the common color that we could met when we bought this fruit. Indeed, banana is one of fruits that are able to be an energy sources for our body. And the most important thing from all above is banana is not just fully rawly, but also you can make another equation of banana that you're willing for. However, banana is the most favorite fruit of human being in the entire world. And for your information, banana has contained potassium that useful for fluid balance, muscle creation, contraction, and lastly, nerve signals. And banana also contain vitamin A and B, and also sodium as well. So that's the end of part B. So we're gonna next to the part C. This is the last part of this presentation. And as usual, I would like to play the audio for once and pay attention to this audio.
Look at the car chase on TV.
That driver is crazy.
I can't believe he hasn't crashed.
How fast is he going?
They say he's going 80 miles per hour.
He's going to kill someone.
Look, he just hit that car.
Oh my goodness. No one is safe on the streets.
Now he's slowing down.
Maybe he ran out of gas.
Look, he just got out of the car and started running.
I hope the police catch him.
So that's the end of the audio of this part. So the answer number one is, look at the car chase on TV. That's the answer of the question number one. And the answer of number two is, I can't believe he has a crash. And for the third question, the answer is 8 miles per hour, based on the previous question that asked him about how fast is he going. And the fourth question is, the answer of the fourth question is, now he's slowing down, based on the previous question that asked about no one's safe on the street. And the last answer of the question is, look, he just gets out of the car and starts running. And that's the end of this presentation. But before that, I would like to give some advice from this presentation. And as you can see on the screen, that being ambitious without any further action is a full path and merely wasting your time. So if you wanna be an ambitious person, you have to make a further step, make a further future plan to act and compare with uh, compare with each other, because without any action that we have, we can reach any of dreams that we had. So thank you for watching and goodbye.